In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a word count in Google Sheets. This might seem like a niche task, but tracking word counts can be incredibly useful, especially if you're working on projects that require attention to detail in written content, like managing word limits for assignments or analyzing text data. To get started, first open a new or existing Google Sheet. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your documents. Once you've opened your sheet, the next step is to set up a system that counts both the number of words and letters in a given cell. For demonstration purposes, let's assume you have a cell B2 where you input the text you want to analyze. Our first objective is to count the number of characters in this text. Navigate to cell C2 and click to ensure it is the active cell. Then, type in the formula EOS-LN B2. What we've done here is employ the len function, which stands for length. This formula calculates the total number of characters in the text located in cell B2, including spaces. Once you've typed the formula, hit the Enter key. The character count should immediately appear in cell C2. After determining the number of characters, next, we'll count the words. Move over to cell D2 and make sure it's active. In cell D2, type the formula count A split B2, false. This might look a bit more complicated, so let's break it down. The split function is being used here to divide the text string in B2 into separate words wherever there's a space. Then, counta steps in to count the number of these separate elements, which essentially gives us the word count. Once again, after typing this formula, press Enter. You should now see the word count displayed in cell D2. This method effectively provides two separate counts, allowing you to analyze text data more efficiently. While this is great for individual cells, you can also apply these formulas to a whole range of cells if needed. Simply drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, with the active formula down through the range of cells you want to include. This is incredibly useful when working with larger datasets. And there you have it. You've successfully implemented a way to calculate both word and character counts in Google Sheets. This technique is not only powerful, but also adaptable, allowing you to modify it to fit different scenarios or datasets you may encounter. Whether you're a student, a data analyst, or just someone who loves exploring tools, this guide has equipped you with a new skill to streamline your text analysis tasks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.